This is to show how I made a template for my corners using the Chinese menu. It's a pretty simple technique. You take it and you, let's see. First I folded it right there, just to work that into that corner right there. I don't know if you can see how close that is in there. It's right on the money. Folded it right there, and then I back and forth until I tore it off, and then to find the middle, you just fold it where those edges meet, and you split the difference on that angle right there. And then that's what I'll cut those miters at, that angle, and set the saw with it. Then I realized the same angle here from where I folded that fits on this corner. So all I had to do was fold that in half where it meets, right there, and dissect that angle. And I had that angle right there for the saw. And so I could do this one. And I had to mark them. I just marked each corner with a letter. You can't really see them in the video. But there's a C and a D. Anyway, you flip it one way, and it's one angle. Flip it the other way, it's the opposite angle for the other piece. So I've got A right there. I knew that was A. I'm flipping it over. Is B. And I got a B written right there. And then if you see D is right there. D is that angle. And C, if you flip it over, there's a C right there on that one. So I had it marked. And then I went on my little diagram that I made. Measured it and marked it with C, D, B, A, B, A, C, D. So I knew which cut to make each time. And there you go, it fit perfect. I don't know if those angles will work on every scenario like that. When it came down to getting that one, I was lucky because it fit. But maybe mathematically it's supposed to be like that. So then you just take this thing to miter saw. Put it on here where it says A, and then match the miter saw to it, like that. Lock it down and you've got that one. Then you can flip it over for B and do the same thing. You can go, there's D, so if I wanted D, put it in here and match that angle bit. All right on the money. There you go. The Chinese menu method. It works.